Hello, I'm James Ryan of Samaritan Medical Group Orthopedics, and today I'd like to just tell you a little bit about myself. I was born and raised in San Diego, California, and attended the University of California, San Diego for undergraduate education. I then moved up the coast to Los Angeles, where I attended the University of Southern California, or USC, for medical school. After that, I attended the University of California, Davis School of Medicine for residency. I spent 6 years at Davis. One of those years was spent in a basic science research laboratory studying articular cartilage and the mechanisms behind cartilage damage. After graduating from residency, I moved to New York City, where I underwent a 2-year, very rigorous study of total joint replacement and adult reconstruction. After that, my family and I moved to Corvallis, Oregon, and there I started total joint replacement surgery at Good Samaritan Regional Medical Center. My practice is now exclusively total joint replacement, and approximately 3 years ago, I transitioned to Albany General Hospital. At Albany General Hospital, we've been fortunate to establish a certified hospital of excellence for hip and knee replacement. We're one of only a very select group on the Western United States to have this designation. And what this means for you as a patient means a very dedicated effort from the entire hospital system to make the experience of joint replacement as positive and as exceptional as possible.